Hi there and welcome back to the channel. If you're here, you probably want to know how to log into your Wise account. Whether you're on the Wise website or the mobile app, I'll guide you step by step. So let's get started. First, let's log in on the Wise website. Here's what you need to do. Go ahead and open your browser and search for wise.com. Enter your login details such as your username and password. Click on the login button, and if you've set up a two-factor authentication, you'll be prompted to enter a verification code sent to your email or phone. Once you have entered that, you'll be able to log in to your account. Next, let's log in using the Wise mobile app. If you don't have the app yet, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play. Open the Wise app on your phone, enter your email address and tap continue. Type in your password and tap login. If 2FA is enabled, you'll need to verify your identity with the code sent to your email or phone. Once verified, you'll have full access to your Wise account on the app. And that's it. Now you know how to log into your Wise account on both the mobile and the website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Have questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.